how to use Google Analytics to track website traffic. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Google Analytics to track website traffic. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Google Analytics website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on the gear icon which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you have to click on data collection and modification and then click on data stream. Then you have to choose a platform. In our case, it is the web. After that, you have to enter your website URL and its name. Then click on continue. After doing so, you have to click on your created data stream. Here, you have to click on view tag instructions and then just copy this code and paste it below to the head of your website's HTML code. After doing so, you have to go back to the report section of Google Analytics. Here, click on real time and you will be able to see real time website traffic. So that's how you can use Google Analytics to track website traffic. That's all for this video.